Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Open Google Sheets and create a new file titled Trading Journal. You're starting with structure, not styling. Add columns for date, ticker, direction, size, entry, exit, P/L, and notes. Use data validation to limit direction to buy or sell, and format size and prices as numbers or currency so calculations behave. Once done, enter one sample trade row to confirm formats. Make sure autofill and freeze header row so new entries stay consistent while you continue. Now automate the math so the journal tells you results, not just stores them. In P/L column, use equals, exit entry, asterisk size for directional trades, and add a percent return column using equals P/L/, entry asterisk size, formatted as percent. Create running totals with SUM for cumulative P/L, and compute win rate with COUNTIF for positive P/L divided by total trades. Once these formulas are in the top row, drag them down or set array formula to populate new rows automatically. This keeps calculations error-free as you add trades. Finish by turning data into decisions. Create pivot tables to analyze performance by ticker, timeframe, or strategy, and add charts for equity curve and monthly returns. Use conditional formatting to highlight largest wins and losses and to flag empty or stale entries. Once visuals are set, make a copy template and protect formulas to avoid accidental edits. If numbers look wrong, the most common fix is checking for text in numeric cells. Convert those to numbers or remove hidden characters to restore correct calculations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.